we distribute the vortex optics, and that's what I recommend on the rifles. And it's a fantastic gun, as you can see. I drilled 30 rounds into the steel, even at full auto.
Okay.
Same injection pattern all the time.
Yeah.
It's good, man. we don't muck around.
And of course, it's Armscor ammo. Okay guys, welcome to our review ng Armscor RD4P. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Armscor firing range, sa may VIP section firing range. I would like to thank Armscor for letting me review this unit for internet entertainment purposes. Salamat Sir Martin, Mam Gina, Mam Jo, and everybody else. Thank you. So check lang muna natin to. So ito yung R4DP guys. A lot of people have been talking about yung Armscor torch. Okay? So yung Armscor torch yung by Global Defense, yun yung semi-auto version nito. This is the military select fire version nung 5.56 rifle nila. Okay? So again guys, pag RD4 yung unit, that means military siya. Pag P yung nakalagay dito, that means gas piston yung operating system. And pag D yung nakalagay dito, that means direct gas impingement system. So ito yung RD4P. So let's have a look. So ito yun guys. This one is the SBR version nito. I think this one is around somewhere around 10 or 11.5 inch na version. Might be 11.5 inch version ng rifle nila. Again, this is the military rifle ng Armscor. And if you look over here, ang dami nating mga improved yung mga controls niya. So you have yung magazine release, bolt release niya, pero kakaiba siya. Hindi siya yung basta-basta lang nasa standard AR. These ones are nicely stippled and they are very very tactile. It comes equipped with itong stock na to, which is na-move mo siya in different positions. Okay? And yun nga, siya, ambidextrous and large charging handle. So dun pa lang upgraded na siya. Meron kang iron sights which are flip up, and then this one is equipped with yung vortex na optic AMG UH1. So if we're gonna look at that, I'm gonna try to see kung makikita natin siya. Ayun siya. I'm gonna try to see. Ayun siya. Hindi nagfo-focus yung camera, nahihira. Ayan, there you go. Yan yung yan yung optic niya. Okay. So that is the RD4P. So in other words, kung military or law enforcement, government judicial purchases or procurement, ganito yung makukuha. And this is not for civilians. So if we look at it, if you look over here, ano muna natin to, na safety check itong rifle na to, pero we can do a safety check again. Let me see. Try ko ulit. Mahirap lang mag safety check. Alright, there you go. So chamber is clear. Tensya na ako, medyo mahirap mag safety check ng isang kamay, but this is what it looks like on the other side. So ang ganda ng logo niya. Try to get to focus. There you go. It's the bolt carrier group. So if we look at it, yung pagkaka-machine niya, it almost like, it looks very stealthy. Ang ganda, yung profile niya, maganda talaga siya. Lots of angles on this one. So dahil siya, direct gas, gas piston. If you look at it, meron kang makikitang spring dito. That's because of the gas piston operating system. Alright. Okay guys, so yan yung natin. This is just a tabletop overview ng RD4P. Maganda siya dahil it's one of the latest new offerings ng Armscor for military and law enforcement use. Traditionally, we've been used to just having yung yung mga semi-auto rifles, pero it should be noted that usually yung mga naman natin dito yung mga military, or rather yung mga arms manufacturers natin dito sa Philippines, lalo na yung mga the big ones like sina Armscor and another one that we have over here that manufactures yung full auto ARs is yung sina UDMC yan. ano sila, they do offer the rifles in full auto version. So, yan siya, yun yung magwell. Hindi ko siya guys ma-disassemble kasi mahigpit talaga yung yung takedown pin niya. But if you look at it, you just have a look at it here and it's really nice. So, ayan siya. One thing na mapapansin natin dito guys, is yun nga, yung taas ng rail niya is numbered. So, very good. Flip up sights available. Ito yung gas piston niya guys, You can check over here. Talaga, kita natin talaga na mayroon siyang gas piston. Natatanggal yan for cleaning and maintenance. Muzzle device, so na safety check naman to. So, siya, bird cage na muzzle device, flash hider. I like that it has the Philippine flag, I mean, when I see the Philippine flag on a firearm, I just feel really nice about it. So yan girls, tignan natin kita nyo meron tayong dito, pin. Full auto, tapos ito yung mga niya, mga trigger pins niya. I noticed that the trigger pins niya ay these are not the standard pins. I think they are anti-walk pins, guys. So it's very nice. Anti-walk. Ang ganda ng niya. Ito yung magazine release, pero meron ka ring ambidextrous na na bolt release. So maganda yung ginawa nila dito kasi ambi siya. Just take note guys, na kung meron kang ambi-bolt release, just be careful not to not to have it easily actuated, lalo na pag nakapatong siya sa may harapan ng vest mo and you're carrying all sorts of stuff on your tactical vest. Pero maganda yung nila yung pagkakagawa nila nung ambi bolt release. So it has one on the other side. So ito siya dito. Pero sa kabila naman, if you actuate that, ayan siya, you can release it. Try ko lang ulit. Ayan. If you actuate it there, you can actually release the bolt. So yun lang guys, just a very quick tabletop overview ng Armscor or yung rear defense RD4P. Very nice rifle. I fired it semi and full auto. Yeah, the recoil is actually very manageable. I have to say that yun talaga yung para sa akin noticeable advantage ng mga gas piston compared sa semi-auto na DGIS If you fire them, you will notice that the recoil is slightly less than the DGIS version. So there you go. So yeah, we're here at the firing range ng Armscor. Great show. There you go guys. Thank you for watching. Alright guys, so after full auto fire, it's smoky, very smoky. Don't touch it, it's very hot.
Yung 22